Student of class 8, let's discuss the chapter Judiciary, the part of Supreme Court. So what is the Supreme Court? Supreme Court is at the zenith or the apex court of the country. It is at the topmost court of the country, and over Supreme Court there is no other court. Any decision which is taken by the Supreme Court has to be obeyed by any individual, either the government or the people or the citizens of the country. So the head of the Supreme Court is the Chief Justice, and the Chief Justice is appointed by the President. There are around 35 other judges in Supreme Court under the Chief Justice. What are the functions of the judiciary? Judicial function of the Supreme Court. There are different functions of the judicial of the Supreme Court. The first one is the original jurisdiction. What is original jurisdiction? Whenever there is a dispute between one state and another state, the Supreme Court can take the proceedings, can take the case of the Supreme Court. And also the cases relating to public interest litigation, the Supreme Court has its original jurisdiction. Next one is appellate jurisdiction. Appellate jurisdiction, when any person is not satisfied with the verdict, with the decision given by the lower courts like the High Court, so that person can approach the Supreme Court against the decision given by the lower courts. Okay. So the next one is the supervisory jurisdiction. Definitely, as the Supreme Court is in the top place, so there is a supervisory functions of the jurisdiction, and the Supreme Court can take the decision, and also it takes care of the lower court, how the lower court is being running. Next one is the advisory jurisdiction. So advisory jurisdiction, that means the Supreme Court can give advice to the president, to the government, and also it can give advice to the lower court in matters to any decision, any judgment that is taken by the lower court like the High Court or the Session Judge. The president can seek advice from the Supreme Court, but it is not necessary that the president will obey the decision of the Supreme Court. And also, whenever there is matters in public importance, then the Supreme Court give advice. Again, the Supreme Court is also the court of record. Any proceeding, any decision, any judgment given by the Supreme Court is kept in record by the Supreme Court. So this is court of record. The next one is the guardian of the Constitution. We have our Constitution. It is at the topmost hierarchy of the rule of law, of the laws in India. And whenever there is to be law framed by the government, the government has to take care that any law, any article, any provision is violated by the Constitution, is violated in the Constitution, provided in the Constitution. So any article, and when any law is going against the Constitution, that is anti-constitutional law, then the Supreme Court safeguards the provisions of the Constitution. And also the last point is that Supreme Court is also the guardians of the fundamental rights. The Supreme Court protects the fundamental rights, and for protection of the fundamental rights, the citizen can approach the Supreme Court for upholding their own fundamental rights. So these are the functions of the Supreme Court. And next day we will discuss about the lower courts present in your chapter. Okay, thank you.